Oh God. Oh God, no. Okay. So, hey guys, it's LPS channel here, and I have some stuff to open for you today. A Hello Kitty hat. My dad took the tag off for me. I didn't ask him to. He just took it off of me. And well, I am LPS channel, aren't I? So I got Pepper Clark, because she's an LPS, of course. Let me cut this tag off really quick. No, oh, ouch! Ow. Hurt my finger. I'm okay, guys. Okay, I'll be back really quick. I'm just gonna turn some music on for you, so you don't have to hear that dumb washer. Okay, back. So, yeah, Pepper Clark. So yeah, right here. Tag, don't. So, and now, oh my God, they're so cute! The kitties. Okay, so now, cat puzzle. See the little kitties. So cute. I'm so adorable. Okay, let's open this, guys. Found a spot to open it. Oh God, this box does not like me. Kitties still like me though. Okay, I guess no, that's just ripping dumb paper off. Oh my God. It's hard to do this and hold the camera. Okay, guys? Just so you know. I'm just gonna put this down for really quick. Oh God. Ugh. Gonna have to do that. Oh God. Why? Okay. I cut a little hole in it. Okay, I'm gonna put this camera down again. I'm so mad I don't have a computer thingy. Computer recorder or something. Besides, I don't even have a laptop or computer. So I just played at Boys and Girls Club. Animal Jam. I play that at Boys and Girls Club. Okay, guys, I don't think I'm gonna be able to open this kitty puzzle. I'm so sorry. But you saw the front, so you know what it's gonna be like. Once I get it open, I'll show you too. Now, I'm gonna open this. Let me push this out. Dude. Ugh. Okay, got it out. Victory! Okay, victory. Victory. Dang it. Okay. Just blah. Look at the ceiling. You may look at the ceiling, people. Okay, look at the snackies. Oh God. Okay, I'm sorry about that. Okay, so that flips open. Don't know. Flips open.
Scare you?
What?
Did that scare you?
No.
Fire.
It doesn't scare me. Okay. So, Dad, can you open this cat puzzle? It's so hard for me to open. Please? Please do that for me. Okay, so now the last thing today are the fruit and vegetable Shopkins. It's a easy squeezy fruit and veggie stand. 2 exclusive Shopkins. These are my first time opening Shopkins, so I'm really happy. So I saved it for last because it's awesome. So I found them at Target, but next time I'm gonna go to Toys R Us for them because all there was at Target of these Shopkins were this set. That's the only thing that was there of Shopkins. So yeah, I'm gonna open this up. The cat was playing with the ketchup. So here's the back. Sit on and bobble. Oh, it's right here. This little scale.
Did you pick the one up that was in the hallway?
Yes. Okay. I'm sure I did. Okay, so 1 playset, 2 exclusive Shopkins, and 2 shopping bags. So I'm gonna open this up really quick. Dad, can you get this box started for me? Please.
What, opening it?
Like, just open the top for me. Or the bottom. So, yes. Did he start it? Oh, he's getting his pocket knife. Okay.
Elizabeth, don't video me. I've told you that before. Now stop.
Well, I'm doing a video now. Sorry, it doesn't like being video. All there is your elbows in it.
I don't care. I don't want to be on camera.
And your hands. Well, I'm video opening, so okay, I'm gonna do the rest. I want to do the rest. Okay. So, oh
Are
God.
you done with this tag?
Yes.
Well, why isn't it in the trash? You need to pick up.
Because I'm
after
doing my
yourself.
video. Duh. Okay. So let me put this down while I take this out. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. So here it is, the fruit and veggie stand. It's way too much fun. Haha. I get it. Okay. I can't do one hand for this and one hand for the camera. Yeah. Okay. So, yeah. Well, that's that. Because I just don't want to do the rest of the opening on camera. Besides, yeah. My phone needs to charge. So, yeah. See you later, guys. Peace.
Are you done with this?
These are the little Shopkins. Yes. Okay. So, yeah. See you later, guys. Pumpkin and a coconut. Pumpkin and a coconut. Okay, see you later. Yeah.